Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Xfinity modem blinking orange light. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is power cycle the modem. Over here, unplug the modem, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. After that, inspect the cables. Check if they are properly connected to the modem and look for any signs of wear or damage. Then restart the modem using the Xfinity app. Over here, open the app, go to devices and select restart. After that, reset the modem to factory settings. Locate the reset button on the back, use a pin to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds and the modem will automatically restart. Then, if none of these steps work, contact Xfinity support for help. So that's basically how you can fix Xfinity modem blinking orange light. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.